Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box. But if you can't find it like me, you can always use a paper clip. As you can see, just straighten out one of the edges and this will work also just as well. So from there, you want to push out the tray, which is located on the left side of the device. So right here, is it? There we go. Now it has come out. So from here, once you take out, you have access to a SIM tray and SD tray, or two different SIM cards. So you can put, for instance, SIM card right here instead of an SD card. But because I'm gonna be using one of each, I'm gonna move this one up here, like so, and the memory card goes here. So once you have them in the tray, make sure that they're laying flush, as you can see these are. And then while holding them securely so they don't fall out, you want to slide it back into the device, like so. And now you can already see there's the memory card, so SD card, tap to set up, and SIM card should be working as well. And that is how you would insert it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.